Hello everyone. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the Rockstar Games account for FiveM. First, make sure FiveM is completely closed. Now we need to close all other launchers. This includes Steam, Epic Games Launcher, and Rockstar Games Launcher. This step is very important. Next, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left of your screen. Type this command into the search bar, %local app data, press enter. This will open a folder. Now, look for a folder named Digital Entitlements. Sometimes it's called ST Entitlement. When you find it, right-click on it and choose Delete. This will remove the saved Rockstar account from your system. Don't worry, this won't harm your game. After you delete that folder, you are ready to open FiveM again. Now, when it starts, it will ask you to sign in with a Rockstar account. You can now sign in with a different Rockstar account. Sometimes a pop-up might show. Don't worry about it. Just try signing in again, and that's it. You can now change your Rockstar account for FiveM. I hope everything works well for you. Thanks for watching.